favorite superhero? Have you ever heard about Jenderal Sudirman? Let's get to know Indonesian national hero Jenderal Sudirman. But before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Hizkia Octavianus Kaban. I am from junior school to Jambuk Makmur. Jenderal Sudirman was born in Sentra Java as Raden Sudirman. Sudirman's father is Arsid Kartawiraji and his mother name is Siem. Sudirman acquired formal education from school garden student. Then he went on to HIK Muhammadiyah Surakarta, but not until the end. Sudirman was also active at the Monon Scouts organization Hizbul Wetan. After that, he became a teacher at his school in Cilacap Muhammadiyah. In 1944, Sudirman started entering the military. He was joined to PETA in Banyumas. In 12 November 1945, Sudirman became commander of 5 Division in Banyumas after the TKR was formed. Finally, he was chosen as the first and youngest commander. Sudirman was known to have a private firm on two principles and conviction. He always put the interest of many people and nation above personal interest, even the interest of his own health. After World War II, the Japanese surrendered. The war ended on December 16, 1945. After victories in the Sudirman Ambarawa Theater. On December 18, 1945, he was appointed as general by President Sukarno. Sudirman gained the rank of general is not through the military academy or other higher education, but because of his achievement. When the capital was moved to Yogyakarta, Indonesia as Jakarta has mastered Belanda. Sudirman led his troops to defend Yogyakarta from the Dutch attack. Attack was on December 19, 1948. In opposition, the health condition of General Sudirman was in a very weak state. A tuberculosis he suffered for a long time. Yogyakarta was then controlled by the Dutch, although Indonesia was ruled by the army after General Offensive March 1st, 1949. At that time, President Sukarno and Muhammad Hatta and several cabinet members were also arrested by the Dutch army. Because of the precarious situation, Sudirman left with his troops and returned to guerrilla warfare. He moved around for 7 months from one forest to another forest, from mountain to mountain in sickness, almost without treatment and medical care. Sudirman home of guerrilla because his health condition does not allow her to lead the armed force directly. After that, just a figure Sudirman planners behind the scans in a guerrilla campaign against the Dutch. After the Dutch surrender as Indonesian archipelago starts in the 1949 Round Table Conference in The Hague, General Sudirman back to Jakarta with President Sukarno and Vice President Muhammad Hatta. at the date January 29, 1950. General Sudirman did that and in Magelang, Central Java, illness suffered severe tuberculosis. He was buried in the Heroes Cemetery in Semaki State Kusuma, Yogyakarta. He was named the Defender of Independence Hero. In 1997, he was awarded posthumously to Major General of the 5-star rank, possessed only by a few generals in Indonesia until now. That's all speech that I can deliver. I daily what I have said is gainful for use. I am so sorry I had a mistake. Thank you for your nice attention. Good morning everyone.